So, AI is here to stay, but is it any good at cooking? My fellow Twisted Chefs have come up with some random ingredients. I'm going to type them into the AI recipe generator. It's going to shoot out this recipe, and then I'm going to cook it. Let's see what's in the box. Some oranges, an onion, some bananas, garlic, chilies, kale, and chicken. Right, where's the computer? Let's see what recipe it gets. Let's cook with AI. It's taking quite a long time, actually. It's done it. Oh, interesting. Orange chili chicken thighs with curly kale. Cool. All right. Ingredients prepped. Step 1 is preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Done that. Step 2, in a large bowl, combine orange juice, orange zest, chili flakes, garlic, salt and pepper. Well, it looks fruity and nice. There's something that makes me uneasy about the fact it's generated by a robot, like it's going to try and poison me or something. Add chicken thighs to the bowl and coat evenly in the marinade. Slippy thighs. Slippy thighs. Not nice. I'd probably put some other stuff in there, maybe some lime juice, maybe some sugar, playing around with the sweetness, with the acidity, but maybe it's the perfect orange. Who knows? We'll have to trust the bar. But that's good. So set aside for 15 minutes. And what do I do now?
Want to play a game?
Sorry? Yeah?
I have some questions for you.
Go ahead, computer.
What is your most visited website?
eBay, sure.
Your search history says it is...
Okay, 15 minutes is gone. Chicken time. It's marinated. It's kind of cooked a little bit in the orange juice. So now we're gonna heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add the chicken thighs and cook for 5 minutes per side until golden. So it doesn't say whether to add all the marinade in or not, but I'm gonna assume it does want me to do that. So here we go. Have you guys ever cooked with an AI recipe? If so, comment in the comments. We'll get back to you. I promise. So, my pale ass chicken thighs, I'm gonna put them in the oven, and then we're gonna cook down this kale and the fucking banana in this weird sauce. Delicious. This is stupid. This computer's gone mad. So, this is just not right though, is it? Delicious. I've never ever cooked a banana in a savoury recipe before, but if you do actually use banana in savoury stuff, put it in the comments. It's going to be disgusting, I think. Or maybe it won't be. So I'm going to kind of caramelise them a little bit, I think. Wow, what a thing. All we have to do now, wait for the chicken to cook, then we're going to put it on a plate and make it look, and maybe it'll look great. It's kind of it's colourful. Rightio, it's finished, it's been done. It's the orange chili chicken thighs with curly kale and banana. Well, it looks interesting, but I'm gonna have to give it a little tasty wasty, aren't I? God, give me strength. It's cooked at least. So some kale on the fork, nice piece of slightly soggy banana, some chili, some pallid chicken. It's not the worst thing I've ever eaten. It's not far off, but what's weird about it is the banana. But that was given to me by my colleagues in the ingredients box, so what's the AI gonna do? It has to put it in somehow. It's interesting, it's a bit peculiar. I've got to leave the banana in. I'm gonna tweak it a little bit just to show the AI how it's done. First up, the marinade. Bit of honey, bit of lime. Chicken, I'd marinate for another 15 minutes, so half an hour in total. Pan fry it with a little bit of oil just to get some nice colour before grilling it in the oven. The weird kale and banana stuff. Maybe put a little bit of onion in there. More savoury notes, bit of body. Maybe slice the chicken breast. Stunning. Okay, there we go. So, 1 done by the AI, 1 same kind of recipe, but give it a bit of humanity, gave it a bit of colour, gave it a bit of life, right? I probably think mine's better, but it wouldn't be fair for me to judge it. So I'm going to get Spencer in, and she's going to give it a test, which is only fair because she chose some of the ingredients. Spen, cooks.
Hey, Hugh.
How's it going? There we go.
Oh.
Got a big head, haven't you? Yeah, try this one first. And now in the face.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's not great, to be honest.
But it's not bad. I don't want to go
No, you
like,
don't
here
have to
comes
feed
the aeroplane.
Meow.
Great, nice one.
Oh.
You got it.
Quite similar, to be honest. The chicken on that has a bit more flavour.
All right, great. Well, you can take your blindfold off now.
You definitely did improve it. This one definitely does a bit more flavour, but
Considering it was written by a computer.
yeah, I think it's pretty good. And I feel bad saying that because now the computer could put us out of a job.
I know, yeah, we're
So
screwed. We're
Maybe I'll
screwed.
pretend this one's awful. Don't do AI recipes.
If you enjoyed that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Twisted Plus. We've got plenty more where that came from. See you next time.